Welcome to our basic to advanced HTML course. It's never too late to learn anything. So let's begin. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language HTML, describes the structure of a web page HTML, consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content, such as, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. A simple HTML document example is given below. An HTML document looks like that. The doctype HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The h1 element defines a large heading. The p element defines a paragraph. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. As you can see in given chart, some HTML elements have no content, like the bar element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Since the early days of the World Wide Web, there have been many versions of HTML. In this chart, we've compiled a comprehensive list of all these versions. Thank you for watching our video. For more content about HTML, please visit our YouTube channel and consider subscribing. All rights are reserved by this channel.